And looking outside there, I think it's time to go for a run. Well, I don't go for a run, I call it interval jogging. I've done my work today. I've updated my YouTube channel with another video. Am I going for a run or a jog or a drive? This is obviously a dirt country road, and the reason I drive a few minutes up the road from where I live to run this or to jog it is because there's usually nobody on it. The first part of my jog, as I call it, interval jog, is the warm-up, which is walking. Also, what I like about jogging up this road is it's in the country. Cows are my observers. Now, I usually do what's called an interval jog, and by that I walk and run in intervals. The reason for that is, well, there's a few reasons, I guess. First of all, I believe that interval training, cardio training, is more effective in increasing fitness. Secondly, I'm not 20 anymore, so I don't want to run full on for half an hour. And thirdly, I don't know what the third reason is. Now, running is not really my favourite exercise. I do it though because it's cardio. And I think it's really important to always have cardio component to whatever we do, whether it's a walk, a run, a jog. Puffing for a minimum of 20 minutes a day. So this road is now a little bit of a slight hill, so I'm starting to puff a little bit more as I keep up a brisk walk. Okay, that's the warm over part done. Now it's time to start running. Another reason I like to run on this dirt road is I believe that even though Australian soil is rock hard, it's better than running on cement or concrete. And now for a little bit of a downward slope. Whew. So that's pushed my heart rate up and I'm puffing. And the good thing about the interval part of the jogging is when I walk, my heart rate lowers, and oh damn it, here's a car coming. Oh. I wasn't watching where I was going. What I could do is you take your heart rate somewhere in there. I can feel that. Obviously it's beating faster than resting pace. There is a formula though that you can use to check your heart rate at any stage that you're working out to see if you're in the fat burning zone, the aerobic zone, the cardio zone, or there's also an anaerobic zone. Nearly at the top of the hill. Whew. Hear that? Peace. Birds. Okay, that's enough walking. Let's run again. At least this part's shady. But it's good for women, osteoporosis, to do impact exercise. Now, I don't mean full-on high-impact aerobics for a whole hour. Interval running like this, or little jumps on the spot, all helps. But sometimes it's just nice to switch off and enjoy what's around. Hear how quiet it is. Well, there's a fly buzzing around me. I'm probably about 3/4 of the way through my jog now. Do I look hot? I have to admit, it actually helps, believe it or not, talking to you, because it's almost like it's distracting me from the work I need to do. I guess it's just like having a friend jog with you, isn't it? I kind of push myself to where I'm puffing quite hard. I can feel my lungs just on the edge of working a bit harder, and then I back off. But I just always nudge towards that limit, which is what exercise is all about, really. Just pushing yourself gently, well, depending on what you do. Maybe the elite sportsmen push quite hard past their limits. But I notice that if I just nudge to my limits, my fitness improves, and so does my strength. Okay, enough talking, Sheryl. See that hill? I'm going to sprint to the top of that. It's a bit windy and I haven't got my lapel mic on, but what a view for the home run. Thank goodness for the breeze. I feel really good after that. It's amazing what exercise and genuinely puffing, genuinely getting the lungs to work. The next thing that's really important is to stretch. bit wobbly on that leg. Oh my gosh, check out these ants here. Quintessentially Australia. Eye for massive, humongous insects. Insects. Australia have humongous insects. I've been exercising. I'm bright red and glowing. So here's the fascial release exercise. It's really good, it's quite effective. You can use a small gym weight or any can. All the way up and down your foot, 20 to 30 times. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. See ya from a hot and sweaty me.